Hey! Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that link in the description below to snag your exclusive discount on the HOTO Air Pump. Seriously, you don't want to miss it. Alright, let's get into it. If you're a gadget lover like me, you know that awkward moment when you're stranded with a flat bike tire, or you're desperately puffing away at an inflatable pool flamingo. Yeah, been there. But what if I told you there's a tiny gadget that could save you from all those embarrassing moments? Meet the HOTO Air Pump, your new best mate for everything that needs a bit of puff and fluff. First off, this little beauty is compact, like fit in your glove box compact, but don't let its size fool you. The HOTO Air Pump packs a punch with a powerful motor, capable of pumping up car tires, bike wheels, footballs, and even those stubborn air mattresses that always seem to sag. It's got a sleek LED display so you can see exactly what's going on. No more guessing or hoping you haven't overdone it. Plus, you can set your desired pressure, hit go, and it'll stop automatically when it gets there. No faffing, no fuss. Honestly, it's like having your own personal pit crew in your backpack. The built-in rechargeable battery means you can take it anywhere. No hunting for sockets or fumbling with cables. And get this, it's surprisingly quiet for such a powerful little thing. So you won't be that person waking up the whole campsite just for a bit of air. I've used it on my bike, my nephew's football, and yes, even my emergency airbed. It's a total game changer for anyone who hates manual pumps or just loves cool, useful tech. So if you want to save your breath, literally, check out the HOTO Air Pump. Click the link in the description below for your special offer and thank me later. Trust me, your lungs will thank you too.